Today we're going to show you a little bit about how we conduct a drop test actually at a factory. And you will notice that he has a tape there on his leg so he can kind of measure about where he's going to be dropping it. And then he's going to drop it on every side and every corner. And you'll also notice too that we have something on the ground to be able to protect the packing. Once the dropping's been done, now we'll open up the package and we'll make sure that everything is fine and that nothing has been broken in there and there's no really bad visible damage to the product. This piece we've been dropping is ceramic, and ceramic is one of the hardest things to be able to pass a drop test. So we have to make sure that nothing has been damaged in this. It's a set of 3 bowls, and you can see here that nothing's been damaged and the packing is okay. So we'd consider this having passed the drop test. The reason why drop tests are done is to make sure that when you get a package that it will arrive to you without any damage to it. So that's why it's very important to do a drop test at the factory. This is Anita from Endoro, and thank you so much for listening. And if you have any need to be able to create, develop, or manufacture home decor or home furnishing products here in Asia, we'd love to talk to you. Please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our blog, Mendoro.com, that has a lot of interesting ideas and other things about home decor and home furnishing production.